So problem 25 is the first 1000-digit Fibonacci number. So the problem is to basically generate a Fibonacci sequence and find the first number that is 1000 digits long, and then return the index of that number, and the index of that number is our answer. So we did a problem with Fibonacci numbers before, it was actually problem 2. So I've got the code for that right here. We're not actually going to reuse any of this, but like we could if we wanted. Basically we just generate Fibonacci numbers using this. Yeah, basically I'm not going to do it that way for this because we need to keep track of the index as well. So I figured I'd just recode the whole thing. So let's get into it. So first of all, what we're going to do, we're going to make an index. So index at the minute is going to be, we'll say 0. We're going to start with the first one. Now we're going to start out our Fibonacci number list. So we'll call it like fib list. And we'll say this is going to have the numbers 1 and 1 in, is the first 2 Fibonacci numbers. So our index is going to start at 2, not 0. 0 will be 1, and then the index 1 would be 1. Then the index 2 would be the next number, which we know is going to be 2, but I'm not going to fill it in. We're going to generate all this. So now what we're going to say is we're going to say while the length of the last number in the list, so we do that with the pulling out like the slice, the -1. So this pulls out the last element of the list. So while the length of this element is less than, I think it's 1000 digits, is it? Yeah, 1000. While it's less than 1000 digits, we're going to continually loop. So we're going to say fiblist dot append, and then we're going to append the last number plus the second last number, and then we're going to check the whether or not it's 1000 digits or whatever, like by looping back through the while loop. But we also want to increase the index since we've now added a number to our thing. And then when we get to the end, we want to print out our index. And if I run this, this might actually give us our answer straight away. So int has no attribute len, so this is because the numbers in the list are all integers and we're obviously trying to find the length. So we're going to have to convert it to a string right here to find the length. So if I run this, it goes 4782, and you can see that is actually our answer. So that was actually a lot easier than I thought it might be. So yeah, another really short one, but hopefully this helps. What's that, like 10 lines of code? Yeah. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.